So yeah, good morning guys. Good evening. So I'm in Mangalore at Bikers Cafe. So yes, let me show you guys the shop. So yeah, ಒಂದು ಜಾಕೆಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಐತೆ ಓಕೆ ಅವ್ವ ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಬೈಕರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವೆನ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ ಸೊ ಎಸ್ ಓವರ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಉಂಡು
Sholezy, BBG, Motodoc,
DSG
XTS, DSG, Gramstar.
ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಓ ಸೈಜ್ಲ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇಪ್ಪುಂಡು ಓಕೆ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ನಮಕ್ ಮುಲ್ಪ ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಉಂಡು ಸ್ಯಾಡಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಉಂಡು ರೈನಾಕ್ಸ್ದ ಐಕ್ದದ ಅನ್ಪುನು ಆ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್
Expedition trail bag.
ಅವಲು ಉಂಡು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮುಲ್ಪ ಹೊರ ಮೇರ್ಲ ತೆಕ್ಕು ಸೊ ಎಸ್ we are doing our expedition shopping. So this is Noman Bhai. I ran a vlog at first time barfuna and yes.
We are first time in this vlog, though we watch, we comment, he never mentions us.
Yeah.
So this is the opportunity, guys. Do follow us.
Yeah.
We are going for our dream ride.
Yep.
To enjoy.
Yeah,
as much
so
as
that's what
we are
I was going to say, that we are preparing for something big. It is our dream ride. It's been like we have been planning it for like years. So yes, it's happening. So we are here for our shopping. So yes, he got a call. Ate, enna subscribers ka discount bani unde? Enna subscribers ka discount bani unda? Thumbs up courier. So yes. So biker cafes na inauguration ondundo on Sunday 31st July reopening. So yes, I won't be there.
Up to 30% off
Up
for
to
selected brands.
for selected
30.
brands up to 30% off undu. So you should come and check it out. Added a discount.